Alright, so what's up, guys? What's cracking? I just got a new Predator 212 on my motor, or on my mini bike, and I got a new carb kit, just came yesterday. My dad got some new tires for his, and he also got a billet flywheel and all that good stuff for his to make the governor go capiche, bye bye. And he got these street tires, but yeah. Anyway, I don't know when we're gonna put those on, but today I can't be riding mine because my forks are broke, clearly, and his, I forgot what's wrong with his. I think it's because we didn't adjust the valve right, but I don't remember. But what today is about, it's about this thing right here. Well, Mx350 Razor DirtBike. This thing, I can do some mad wheelies on it. Not super long, but I'm getting there. So let's get into it. I'm doing this shit in slides. Alright. Let's ride the track real quick. There we go. Had to fix my chest cam. Oh, I think it's almost dead, to be honest. It don't got a lot of juice like my mini bike does. It's alright, I still rip this thing. I got my old motor on Bryce's bike because he's waiting to get a bike for his, or a motor for his. He's getting Predator. He's not selling it no more, which is alright. Oh yeah, I think it's almost dead. That was a good one. That one wasn't. I was trying to tighten my chest thing. There we go, that should be a little better. The brakes are super good on this thing. I loved it. I love how the brakes are good. I got the brake control down, kinda. This thing is like super quiet but kinda loud at the same time. I don't know, I wonder what that thing down there in the road is. It's like black. I don't know what it is. I'll go get Bryce's since his is the only one up and running. This thing's a bit slow if it tries to, if whatever it is tries to eat me. Go cruise the track one more time, even though it's super bumpy. It's kind of getting there. Kind of starting to form. Right here, it's bumpy as hell. This thing has no suspension whatsoever, but that's alright. Let's go the actual way. Today just like around the house day, I guess. I don't know, I haven't had a video out in a while. And the birds down there are fighting. Oh, they just was. The only bad thing about my new motor is it has too much power where I can't do no more. I can't do wheelies anymore. I do wheelies on Bryce's, but like his frame's not the same as mine. I think there's something wrong with it, to be honest. I don't know. I might have to go see what. Oh, yeah. I knew that. Forgot I took that off. There was a spring to the that like controls the throttle, and it came off, I guess. Let's go ride down into pasture. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. This grass is tall. Oh yeah, this thing is dying quick. I've never been back here on this thing. Dang, I forgot how bumpy it is through there. There we go. Now we're picking up some speed. Oh, that's coming loose. That's not good. All the birds are gone now. That's alright. We can just cruise down there. Probably go through town. I don't know. I'm pretty bored. I skipped school today, but that's alright. Head down here real quick. They've been plowing the fields. As you can see. Oh, nope, they're still down there. They're eating something. I don't know what they're eating. I don't know. Dude, some crazy shit happened last night. My cat almost got ate by a bigger cat. Like, I got these two little baby cats. They almost got eaten, dude. It was fucking crazy. And then my cat ran into the garage, and the black cat was following behind him. And he seen us. He said, "Retro, I gotta turn around now." And he skirted out of there. He didn't catch no traction, but it's alright. I don't know. These birds ain't moving yet. I'm pretty close to them. If you guys see, I don't know if you guys can see them yet. Throw her back in 0.5. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they're just vultures. Yeah, now they're moving. Yeah, I really want to know what they was eating on. That's big ass bird. This dude's on a KX. I don't know who this is. I got no idea. I guess that's his field, I guess. Yeah, probably. I'm about to do a wheelie for him if he doesn't go around. And if this thing's got enough power to do that. Oh yeah, he went all the way around. It's all good. I'm slow. Anyway. Cruising 14 right now, maybe 12. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is. I found him. My dad used to have a CRF 250R, but we got rid of it for the four-wheeler. It had too much power. Oh, I think that's a little 150 to be honest. I'm not sure. I've never seen him before. I don't know. I'm gonna go back to the house and try and fix Bryce's. I don't know if I will be able to. I gotta find the springs. Oh wait, no, I can just take the spring off his old motor. Because his old motor's like shot. Holy cow, I can breathe now. Ow, I hit my knee off the bars. That hurt. Damn. Oh shit. Yeah, while I'm doing that, I'm gonna plug this in. I don't know if the four-wheeler was up and running, I'd get it out. Or ride it. But, where's his old motor? Up here, okay. I need this spring, right? Here. This right here is what I needed. Time to see if I can get this just how it was on his motor. I'm gonna need some needle nose pliers. I hope I didn't just lose that. No, I didn't. Good. Yeah, this spring fell out on mine. So right now I just took that spring off Bryce's. Hope it works. Oh, I'm so used to mine. The exhaust is loose. There we go. Now we're taking one thing at all. Can't get my pocket zipped. I don't want my wallet, my AirPods to fall out. What I am going to do is go get some shoes on. Let's hit a pool. We're going to hit a pool in the grass. Oh, I found the back to that flashlight. Alright guys, don't let me forget that's there. I broke my bars on this fucking ditch the other day. That's why they're broke. I hit it going a little too fast. Me and Bryce was cooking. Ugh. I gotta make sure this thing's charging. Oh, I left it on. I don't know, I guess I'll just keep ripping the tracks. There ain't really nothing to do. Oh, that's such a slow start. Oh my goodness. Oh, this thing don't even sound like it's running. Oh, it's so weird running the track this way. It ain't dry yet. Alright, let me give you guys a walkthrough on the track. Alright, so you basically started from wherever before I put that paint line, but you'll start from wherever. You'll come, if you're coming from this way, you'll turn here like immediately, and then you'll have a really long turn. And then a dip, and a dip into a turn, and then the turn into a dip. And then right here is like the bumpy spot. You don't want to hit it going too fast. If you don't got suspension, it'll fuck you over. And then you come back, and we're working on this part. You turn right here. You come around. Go like this. This spot's bad. You're going fast. And then you come back. Why did it do that? What the hell? Why did it do that? This thing don't got a kill switch, so I gotta use the choke. But other than that, my bike will be up soon. My dad ordered some new forks. My dad also got for his bike, where are they? I don't know where they're at. But he also got chopper bars, like ape hanger bars. I can't wait till he puts those on, and 2-inch bar risers. And I don't really think they're 2 inches. I think they're more of like 4. They're fucking massive. But other than that, yeah. I don't know what else to say. But, oh, here's his bars. I found them. Right here. Look at his big ass ape hanger bars. He said they're like 15 inches. I don't really believe it. But honestly, what I think I'm gonna do, I think I'm just gonna put them on real quick, to be honest. So I'll hit you guys up when I'm doing that.
Alright, so let's get these bars on. I gotta take the old bars off. What I should do first is actually take all this stuff off. See that? I'm a genius. I knew what I was doing. That's one bracket taken apart. He got those risers because his other ones, because this riser right here, this one broke, or is whatever you want to call it. I just gotta figure out how to put these ones on. Alright, so basically what happened was my phone ran out of storage and it was about to die, so I just didn't record the rest of the video because there was no point. My phone ran out of storage. I sat there for like 20 minutes deleting photos, everything, all of the last videos, and it was kind of a boring video, but I haven't posted in a while. That was it. Please like and subscribe, and peace.